Ever wondered if there is a faster way to design Pinterest pins? Honestly, when I first started, I would spend hours on designing a few pins, and I know exactly how frustrating it feels. But then I found a simple hack that changed everything. It saved me so much time, and I want to save yours as well. So, in this video, I will show you exactly how I saved hours on Pinterest content creation so you can easily copy this exact method. And now, let's get started. So, before we dive into the solution, let's understand the problem first. For Pinterest, you need to be consistent to grow like every other social media platform. So, if you pin minimum 2 pins per day, that means 14 pins per week and approximately 56 pins per month, which sounds a lot, right? As I said, I used to take so much time to design that perfect pin, and soon I realized that this method wasn't sustainable if I want to grow on Pinterest. So I needed a way to create pins faster. And the simple hack to do this is creating your templates. The clear benefit is using Pinterest pin templates is really time efficient way to create more and more pins, and it helps you save tons of time. You can use them over and over again, which keeps consistent branding, and you don't need to start from scratch. You can just change the text and image and your pin is done. This way, it improves efficiency for batch creation. That means you can create more and more pins in bulk without starting from scratch. So, before we get into the details on how to create Pinterest pin templates, I'm sharing my top 3 performing pin templates for absolutely free, and I will link it below in the description box so you can grab it there. So now let's learn how to create your Pinterest pin templates. For that, the tool I use is Canva, which is a freemium tool. That means it has the free plan as well as the premium plan. This is where you can easily create Pinterest pins. So there is the free version where you can design or work on anything. But if you go with the pro version, then you can actually get some advanced features like getting access to stock images that again saves you tons of time because you don't need to search for the perfect image for your pin. And because Pinterest is a visual search engine, you need high quality Pinterest pins. Canva Pro also allows you to set your brand asset beforehand so that you can set your colors, fonts, and logo, and you can quickly apply this to all designs. I pay for the subscription when I need the advanced features for designing, and it's absolutely worth it because as I said, that it gives you access to stock image library and so much more. So it's totally worth it. But if you're a beginner or if you have just started, then I will suggest you to go with the Canva free version. You can find the link in the description box below to sign up to Canva, which is absolutely free to join. Now let's understand the guidelines Pinterest have for their pins. They say that use high quality vertical images that will stand out in people's feeds, and they recommend a 2:3 aspect ratio for the pins. So they have mentioned this 1000 by 1500. The pre-made pin templates in Canva are of this size, 1000 by 1500, though I have also experimented with other sizes like 600 by 900 and 800 by 1200. They also perform really well, but you might need to experiment a bit, but make sure that you maintain this 2:3 ratio. So now let's know how to design the templates in Canva. And for that, let me share my screen. So first of all, you come to Canva, and if you go to the template section and search for Pinterest, click Pinterest pin, then it will show you the pre-made templates Canva offers, where these icons are here. That means you can access it only if you are on the pro version. And if there is no watermark like this, then you can access it in the free version as well. So these are the printer suggestions over here. You can click any of them, like I have clicked how to, then it will show you how to type of content Pinterest print templates, and you can use them and customize them if you want. But I personally don't use them much because everyone has access to them. So what I like to do is getting inspired by others and creating my own designs. And I think the best place for inspiration is Pinterest itself. I get the idea of designing the pin template. I don't need to copy that pin exactly. I think this is a really great starting point to create pin designs. So what I have done is I have created a separate secret board collecting the pins I liked so I can get the rough idea of the designs, but I don't need to copy them exactly. I just use them as starting point to create the pins so that I don't have to stare at the blank screen and thinking how to design that pin. Okay, so now let me quickly create a template. So first, let's create a design. Click the Create a Design button. Then search for the Pinterest pin. It will show you two sizes, I will prefer the second one. I have clicked that. And now let's create a Pinterest template inspired by this one. Okay, so I have created this template. Let's fix the spaces between the lines. And now I will select an image. I have already some images right there. And now I will add my branding. I like to add my site name. You can add a logo if you want. This template is ready to go. It would be, I think, great to change the color of this. And this looks pretty nice. Now, let me show you how you can create several pins using a single template in just a few minutes. So let's duplicate this page and you can change the fonts if you want, or you can make them smaller or bigger if you want. But the idea is just duplicating that and changing the text and images as needed. So I will change the photo again. Let's have some skincare photo and I'm searching right here in Canva. You can select the text and change the color and the pin is ready. And I will duplicate this page to create another pin. You can change, like, capitalize the text, or if needed you can make it bigger. So I need a bit more space there. Generally the numbers are really big to grab the attention, so I have made this big. 7 overnight beauty hacks for glowing skin. So you can just do that. And I have shortened it. So I have made it bold. You can do that as well. And you can find another image like this one and place this right here. Adjust it as needed. I will change the color of this text, like make this letter a bit bigger. It's done. So I have made these 3 pins using a single template. And I just want to share the idea that you can actually create unique pins using just one single template. You can customize them as needed, like I have done for this. I have made this text bold. You can do that. You can change the font or you can make them smaller or bigger if needed. So by using a single template, you can quickly design this many pins in so much less time.
Okay, now the next part will be to download these pin images. And before that, I would suggest to change the name of the pin images so that it would be helpful while uploading your pins, because you have to click one by one image to see which image you are uploading. So this is a quick hack to organize your pin images as well as uploading the pin images in a more mess-free way. So for example, for this image, I will click here and rename it with the pin title itself, and I will do the same for this too. Now it's done. Okay, after I have renamed all these pin images, I can also rename the whole file because I want to download all these pin images. So for this, I have to click this file at the top left corner, and then from here, clicking this little pencil icon, I can change the file name. Now, if I want to download this pin images, then I have to click this share button at the top right corner and then scroll down, and from here click this download button. As you can see that the file type is selected as PNG by default, which is the highest quality image that you can download from Canva. And now if you scroll down, you can select the pages you want to download. You can select all, or you can also select the page you want to download from here. So in this case, I want to download all these pages. So I have clicked all pages and then click done, and then I will download it. And now as you can see that it has been downloaded, and if I click this file from here, then you can see these images. Here it is. So that's how you can download the pin images, and by following this hack of renaming the pin images, you can keep the pins in much more organized way, and this will also help you in uploading pins when you are going to upload so many pins in one go.
If you found this video helpful, you will love my next one where I will show you exactly how to create Pinterest pins in Canva step by step. The steps I have skipped for the sake of this video. So if you are interested, watch the video on your screen if it's already been published, and I will see you there.